Umulenze moze kina kwa mu. Una na video. Ya bụ video Gumi na ndị amị. Take your time na nekene rank dị onye amị ahụ na. Just wele kine nwayo na rank dị onye amị ahụ na. Onda amị akita na bow to this man. Ya pụta lụọ ezigbo ọlụ. Ọha nwa ya pụta kene lụọ ezigbo ọlụ na just onwe bụ apụta lụọ ọlụ. Lụta ọlụ mma. Man others, by the way, actually can play no video gentleman because he's still insisting that na public holiday come May 30th. He's still insisting na public holiday come May 30th. Man, just complete video, just video gentle. God one.
Yeah, my wonderful people of Biafra. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending your location, wherever that you are hearing me from. I still remain at your humble brother, Ifeanyi Chukwu Orientals, aka Gentle De Yahoo, Onyezuku in Biafra land, your humble servant. This message is coming directly from the land of Biafra. This message is coming directly from the land of Biafra. For we to understand, this today's date is 21st of May 2026. So I am bringing this message and information for our people to understand. Please, 30th of this month, that's why I came up today with some other informations that I want to pass on. 30th of this month being the Heroes Day. Please, this information, more especially people in the homeland, please and please respect yourself. Stay indoor on that very day, being the 30th. Respect the fallen heroes in Biafra land. Chukwu Emeka Odumegwu Ojukwu and others that we have lost in Biafra land because of Biafra struggle. Please respect that particular day, being 30th. Start from now and gather all things that you need, that will take you, that will lead you to stay at home 30th of this month. That is the information, the number one information. Secondly, please, all of us of freedom, all supporters of freedom all over the continent, please and please tag Okechukwu, the one that is calling himself a commander. Tag Ikenga Uriku, the one that is a slave in the hands of a woman in South Africa before he left South Africa and ran away, where he was washing a pants for a woman. Tag Udele, ex-convict from Turkey, that betrayed his own people. Tag Ebe Kwodika Ararakaria, a man from Imo State. I don't want to call his location because I know him very well. Tag Lolo. I don't know who gave her Lolo, but tag Lolo Neka on this message. Make sure that my message got to them. All these people, this message is going directly to you people. Now it is happening. Fulani invaders everywhere. It is this recent video. They caught one guy. Now, Udele, Ozu, Muram, Inerikonde, Debugi Kamanya. You are coming up now to still deceive our people that it is not a Fulani herders that did what happened in Owerri. That is what you are trying to say. Just to cover yourself up. Now, where are you people? Can't you mobilize and organize your Fulani soldiers? Your Boko Haram, Swamp, ISIS, Al-Qaeda, to fight against all these people that are eliminating our people every day by day now in the southeast. Look at what happened in Owerri. Those two school students, they adopted and buy them. I know it's still a Biafra Liberation Army, right? Biafrans, we shouldn't be deceived anymore. These are planned deal. And now, currently now, the same Fulani Caliphate have paid all these people I told you people to tag for me, just for them to start castigating Nnamdi Kanu, because they have seen that they have failed and failed woefully. They have seen that it seems to them that they have failed. Yes, let me put it like that. Now they have started castigating Nnamdi Kanu, and I strongly believe that with this, the genuinely Biafran agitators should understand and open their eyes widely, because what is about to happen, this is the cry I have been crying in Ozara for a long time. Now they have used all these people thinking that they have conquered. It is a lie. We Biafran soldiers, we mount, we gallant, we mount, we gallant. We are watching everything that has been happening. All the attacks in Owerri, including in Umuahia, even the invasion of Fulani cows in our mother's farm in Afaruku Ibeku in Umuahia. We saw everything. We are watching, and I believe that Biafrans are watching. The killings in Enugu, the Fulani invaders in Enugu, it still remain Biafra Liberation Army, right? It's just a question I am asking you people. Now, Gentle, Butozo, Owam, Obuebula, B44, we all are criminals, we all are terrorists, we all are this, we all are that. Haven't it made known to all of you that these people are only fighting to make a way for their masters, for them to send down their invaders into our land? Thank God. We just pipe low, watching how things are moving. At least the world today, the people today can testify. But they are still moving around, hunting men down, bringing some of a flavor that DOS are using down. Thank God it's happening live and direct. The young man they caught, they said is at Owerri. They caught him. Thank God. Did he mention my name? Did he mention Butozo? No. All those people are the same people that are working for them. Now they have turned around. They have turned against them now. So I want to bring this as an information. I want to bring this also to be a address to our own people, for we to understand where these people are heading, where they are heading to. You see all those money, all those bribe. I don't know how much they gave to all these people. Lolo and Neka. How much did they pay you? You can get how much did they pay you? Udele, Ozu, Vulture, Yebuki Kamanya. How much did they pay you? Okennaya, the commander. How much did they pay you? Nnamdi Kanu that have been in incarceration for a long time, and you people are still blackmailing the young man that are there suffering for our freedom. What and what that still remain that this young man prophesied that have never come to pass? Mugus, a flave Igbos. You see all of you that are moving around with Muslim tickets. You see that Isi Allah will kill all of you now. That Mugu bastard, monster that calls himself Muhammad, we kill all of you now. Thunder, we fire all of you now. Don't worry. Biafrans are watching. Manon will feel to everybody. Being the Biafrans. Oko daribiribe. Apotagen onyuola. Biafran soldiers will mount gallantly. We are reading and watching everything, how everything is going. Thank God. I believe that the genuinely Biafrans have understand and also understood where these people are heading to. When I was shouting in Ozara, telling you people that a Fulani man make it a categorically that there is no way, no any tribe that can win Igbos except you use Igbo against Igbo. Now today, what is happening? City boy movement, chief priest, how far? How far now? Chief priest, they use you and fought against us. To the extent that you collude with your brother called Healers in our midst. You use Healers against his own people. Now, what is the condition of Healers? Okwabo Healers Okwayo na Abagoya. Huh? One day you can't fight the land and go scot-free. You fought the land shows you pepper. How many votes do you get? 14 votes. You are not even ashamed of yourself, and you are on social media ranting around, making people to understand that it is only people that have G-Guard that voted for you. That is to say, it is only people in your family that you bought G-Guard that voted for you, and you come to contest and protest. You come to contest for election. Mugu. Afo mini okpawara. Afo mini orasila mini demini. You are not even ashamed of yourself. Now, after fighting for the land, because you fought the land, what later happened? Even including your brother you use against his own people. What is his condition now? How about Healers? When I never see something. Look at how Igbos are moving around doing rubbish. After you come up to speak for the favor of Nnamdi Kanu, for the favor of Igbos, from there you got a promotion by having the viewers and the followers. From there they paid you, bam. Immediately they paid you, turn around, you become you show up that you are the enemy, the green snake in the green grass. Mugus. Biafrans are bigger than all of you. Biafrans are bigger than all of you. You see, Biafran struggle is unbeatable. Biafra or nothing. See, Biafra or nothing. This is why I came up today, to highlight to my people, for them to understand where these evils are going. Look at Ikengurigu that are blackmailing Nnamdi Kanu, castigating Nnamdi Kanu, someone that has been washing a woman pants for many years in South Africa. What have he gained? It's just for him to come and be talking rubbish on social media, ratting around on social media, the same way he has been killing innocent Biafra youths, posting pictures, talking rubbish, talking without investigation, speaking without making his findings, speaking without having something tangible on hand. This is the same way he came and be telling people, Gentle this virgin, what was that her name? Favor. Or no. Hi, what is that? The girl's name? I don't even know the girl too well. He was telling the world, Gentle this virgin, the girl. You don't know what Gentle robbed in his penis that made women love him. All the whole girls in Okigwe, in Imo State, they are Gentle are fucking all of them. You are not even ashamed of yourself. A tout, more bingo. Idiot unkale uji honko shangu delela po madu mozu. Leno koko de kayana. Mugu. Remember, they will use you. After using you, they will dump you. Be more bingo. I don't know what I will tell you. I will tell you people. Huh? Now, this is the same way you say I disvirgin the girl, I fuck the girl, I do this. This is the same way you are moving around, ranting around now, telling the world, Nnamdi Kanu, pregnant the 18 years old girl. No, Biafra, listen, let me highlight you people. They have organized a payment to a particular girl that they want to bring out. I am debunking that, and now let everyone hear it. I stand to debunk all this lie, the same way he went and lied against one guy in Noka that he first snapped Ebubago or I mean Udogachi or that they collected the knife from the guy and they kill him. It's joke 1 naira the go on this mugu. Ihe onye a ji eri fraud. Ihe onye a ji eri propaganda. And what again Koji? The same way they have planned, they have looked away, no way again for them. Now they have paid him to start talking rubbish. Namdekale, the girl boy, who are you? A girl of 18 years or Rubeto is it is she still in adolescent age? Even if I told Namdekale to go there, a girl of 18 years, that was then. Are you not a man? What is your problem? And you are talking all these things so that you can pollute the heart of the Biafrans, the lovers of freedom, and the people that are following Namdekale. You are done for. You are a mugu. Thunder when no get brother, when no get father, fire you strike your generation. Okoko mad. You and the Bianco no undi beriba. Look at what you people are doing to Newe people. Mugus. Mugus. Because of Ihanko Owa. This is how Bianco no went to Israel, went to US and started talking rubbish. Yeah. My husband, they said that the Biafra will not come. My husband, they denounced Biafra. Thunder fire you there, but thunder will not fire our master. Thunder will not fire Ojuku Ikenga, one of Biafra. You must be stupid. Now Ojuku fight for Biafra. Ojuku jiwa uze Biafra. Ojuku ayawo Biafra hale gokuya. The spirit is rolling like a rolling lion. If you don't know it now. This is not time that Biafrans are still blind. Biafrans' eyes has been opened widely. That is all I want to tell you people. I don't have much to say. Next time we talk about that. Secondly. Sunday Igboho, Hafa. Sunday Igboho, Hafa, what is happening? You see what you have caused to Yoruba people. You see what you have caused to Yoruba people. Sunday Igboho, Hafa. Look at how your people are dying like chickens. You see how Fulani people are stampering your people. You see how they are killing your people. Do you see how Fulani people are buying your people in Yoruba land? You see what you have caused to them. Justly because of 50 billion naira. Justly because of 50 billion naira, you sold Yoruba land. You sold the Yoruba nation. You showed your agitation. You are not even ashamed of yourself. I am highly disappointed in you. Sunday Igboho, Gentle De Yahoo is highly disappointed on you. Sunday Igboho, you that have created, you that have made things possible for Yoruba people, you that have nearly delivered the Yoruba land. Sunday Igboho, you remember when you come and pick your people from me, Gentle De Yahoo. Sunday Igboho, we made a video call. You talk all sorts of things you talk. You even told me that very soon you will come and see us. Sunday Igboho, you know all the whole stories. Sunday Igboho, look at what you did to your people. My Yoruba people, at least I believe there is a faithful ones in Yoruba land. Keep on speaking for the betterment of Yoruba land. Never you give up. That is why we are Biafrans. We can never give up. Biafra or nothing. Biafra or nothing. Biafra, anything more than Biafra, rather we lower to the grave. We can never give up. And Biafra, we must actualize it. Don't mind all those slaves, all those saboteurs. Don't mind all those slaves that have deceived Yoruba. One can rise up and say no to all this evil. Let it be an encouragement to our people, being the people of Yoruba, because I know there are good ones in Yoruba land. Don't mind all those ones moving around with their ticket, Muslim tickets, which that are worshiping Allah. Ogu kill Allah, my brother. I believe your word. I always followed you. Ogu kill Allah. Allah no be anything. If Allah strong, make Allah come fight those that are talking against him. Blood sucker. Where then they call Allah. Thunder, fire all of them, fire the Allah, fire all of them, fire all the emirs in our land. Thunder, fire all of them there. And Gentle they cause them. In fact, their generation will not see good. Their entire generation will not see good. They all will die like a cow, the same way they are using their hardest to kill innocent citizens. Mugus. They thought that this time around no one can talk. We must speak and we must talk and we must act, we must react. Mugus. Sunday Igboho, you have done it to your people. Woe unto you. Shame unto you. Shame unto you. I am highly disappointed in you. APC candidate. Look at you. Look at how bold you are, telling the youth to come and join the APC. Come and join the APC. Now look at what is happening. Yoruba land has been taken by the Fulani. You are now begging the federal government to approve for you that your security is ready. Oh, my brother, you are done for. The kingdom of God suffereth violent, and it is only the violent that can take it by fire by force. If you don't know it. The people of Israel suffered in the hands of Egyptians, in which led them to fight. It led them to fight. They fought for their freedom. They fought for their freedom, and to the extent that they got to the river. To the extent that they ran and got to the river. There, the Lord shows His mercy and miracle, and shows His miraculously to the people of Israel, and show them that He is together with them. The same way that God of Israel did it to the people of Israel, the same way that the God of Israel, in which we are the part of Israel, the God of our God will do it for us. We must actualize our freedom. Yoruba many Yorubas, because I believe there are good ones. There are good ones in Yoruba land, and all those good ones I still hail you. Keep it on. Keep on speaking for the land. Keep on speaking for the generation. Keep on speaking for the freedom of your people. If not, Fulani will take over everywhere, in which they have already been doing it. They have already gathering everything self in Yoruba land. Sunday Igboho, shame to you. Shame to you, shameless man, APC candidates, that you might have draw the youth out to fight for their freedom. You just are at the middle of the sea, you disappointed them. The same way God of Israel, God of our ancestors, delivered the people of Israel from the sea where they ran, and Moses divided by the power bestowed upon Moses. Moses divided the sea. The same way that the same power has bestowed upon Nnamdi Kanu must surely deliver us. God must surely deliver us through Nnamdi Kanu. Whether you people like it or not, all this slave that they have been bribing, paying money for them to come up on social media and start ranting around, throwing allegation on Nnamdi Kanu, because they have nothing in hand anymore. They have nothing in their cupboard anymore. Shame and woe unto them. You people have fallen woefully. Mugus, please and please, genuinely Biafrans, the only way out, and everyone must to speak out, is for we to start calling on international community. I know that foreigners, it will be hard for them to release Biafrans to go, but they must release us. We must to go on our own way. We must to go on our own way. Let them set up a date of referendum. Let them set up a referendum so that the people will decide and determine on their own way. They will determine a place to belong. That's all. That is the only thing that will stop all these killings, all this insecurity in Nigeria, in this so-called company, in this construction company that they are calling a country. We are not a Nigerian. We can never be a Nigerian. We are Biafrans. All of us are freedom, all supporters of freedom all over the continent. I greet you all. I still remain your humble servant. Ifeanyi Chukwuka Orienteze, aka Gentle De Yahoo, Ezugi my boy in Biafra land. I am not two, and I respect my leader, my able commander, the triple general in Biafra land. Igwe High Temple, I respect you, and all the rest of major generals in Biafra nation. I greet you all. Thank you. God bless you.